Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be on Windows coming to end of life, and when that happens soon or in the future, you are going to be needing some drivers for future use. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, you're going to right click on your desktop. I'm going to go to New and make a folder, so click on Folder. Okay. Then just delete that and type in driver backup. All in lowercase letters. So we'll just leave that on the desktop. Then we're going to go to search. And we're going to type in PowerShell. Okay, I have it here. And we're going to run this as administrator. Over here it says run as administrator. Click on that. And you're going to see a bluish window. Click yes. You won't be able to see it in the video though. Just click yes to it. And this command here, I'm going to leave it in the video instructions below the video. You can paste it from there. You copy it. And then you bring it to this PowerShell and you paste it in. That's all you really have to do, and then you click enter. Very easy. Just let that finish. Okay, it's finished. I'm going to click away from that. We're going to double click on the folder. And here it is. We have all the drivers. They're ready to go. Okay. We're going to go back to search. We're going to type device manager. And here we have it. You have to reinstall your operating system. This is the way you would do it. I'm going to use monitors as an example. We're going to click on that. We're going to right click here. We're going to click on properties. We're going to click on driver up here. We're going to click on update driver. We're going to click on browse my computer for drivers. Okay, and this is where you would install the driver. You will get the driver with come from that folder, and you will click next, and you would install that driver. It would pick it up from the folder. Okay. Also, we're going to go to File Explorer. Going to minimize it. Now, if you want to make a copy of that, I have a USB stick here. All you would do, you would drag it from there and put it right into the USB, right? I don't want to put it in that one, but that's what you would do, and it would just make a copy, and that's it. And you would have one on your desktop or wherever you want to put it, and you would have one in your USB stick for the future, for safekeepings. So anyways, that concludes today's video. I'll be making some more videos on this topic, so please subscribe if you want to see more. We'll see you soon.